Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the most delicious green chicken pozole. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with the ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 4 pounds of split chicken breast, 60 ounces of pre-cooked hominy, 5 roasted and peeled poblano peppers, a handful of spinach, 1 small onion, 7 garlic cloves, half a bunch of cilantro, radish leaves, 1 pound of roasted tomatillos, chile serranos, 3 bay leaves, and all of our spices that will be listed in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Okay, to 3 quarts of boiling hot water, going to add our salt, chicken bouillon, garlic cloves, half an onion, bay leaves, and chicken. Okay, we're just going to allow it to come to a boil. And once it comes to a second boil, remove all of the impurities from on top of the broth. And once we've done that, now we can add our pre-cooked hominy. Make sure to rinse it and just add it in. Okay, now here we're going to reduce the heat to medium. Cover it and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. Alright guys, so after 30 minutes, our chicken should be fully cooked. So now we're just going to remove it from the pot so we can get ready to shred it. And here we're also going to be reserving 2 cups of the broth. We're going to be using that for our sauce. Okay, once we have our chicken, we're going to allow it to cool down. Meanwhile, we can make our sauce. Okay, to the blender cup, add 3 garlic cloves, a roasted poblano peppers, along with the onion, the cilantro, the radish leaves, and that just adds a really nice earthy taste to our sauce. But of course, if you don't want to add it, you don't have to. Along with that, our tomatillos, the handful of spinach, chile serranos, our ground cumin, oregano, marjoram, black pepper, and chicken bouillon. Now we're just going to be blending until smooth. Okay, so once we have our sauce, we can set it to the side so we can shred our chicken. Okay, and once we have our chicken, we can now get ready to finish up our pozole. Okay, so here, returning back to our pot, going to add our sauce. And along with that, our chicken. And I forgot, but I'm also going to be removing the onion. Okay, so now just mix it in. Going to rub some oregano. Add it in. And here you also want to taste it for salt and see you need to adjust it. But now we're just going to allow it to cook together for about 15 minutes. Alrighty guys, and after 15 minutes, our delicious green chicken pozole is done. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, topping our delicious pozole. So I'm going to begin by squeezing some lime juice, topping it with some cabbage. Here I have some jalapenos, some green onion, and of course some radishes. But just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I am so ready. I love to eat my pozole with some tostadas, but of course you can always enjoy it with tortilla chips. But I like to spread some sour cream on my tostada, just like that. Now let me tell you, if you love my original pozole recipe, you're going to most definitely love this one. This is basically the same, it's similar. The only difference is that here you get to make it for your family, you know, and you don't have to make a big old pot. I am so ready. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. This right here, it's seriously the best. Perfect every single time. So flavorful, the broth, everything is just so good.